and Italy have upgraded their relationship to a special strategic partnership following high-level talks between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni in Rome. During the meeting, both countries reaffirmed their target of increasing bilateral trade to 20 billion euros by 2029. At present, trade between India and Italy stands at around 14.25 billion euros. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is in Italy as part of the final leg of his 5-nation European tour, said that both nations would also work towards the early implementation of the India-European Union Free Trade Agreement to further strengthen trade and investment opportunities. The two leaders also expressed serious concern over the ongoing situation in West Asia and its impact on the global economy. They stressed that the need for de-escalation, dialogue and diplomacy to ensure lasting peace and stability in the region. Both sides also highlighted the importance of freedom of navigation and the resumption of shipping operations through the Strait of Hormuz. India and Italy have now decided to expand cooperation across several key sectors, including defense, security, trade, technology, energy, artificial intelligence, space, education and culture. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also announced plans to establish an India-Italy Innovation Center aimed at connecting startups, research institutions and industries from both countries. Defense cooperation was another major focus during the talks. Modi stated that defense ties between the two nations reflect deep mutual trust and that a new roadmap has been prepared for co-development and co-production in areas such as helicopters, naval platforms, marine armaments and electronic warfare systems. In a joint article written for Indian and Italian media, both Modi and Meloni described the India-Italy relationship as entering a decisive new phase, moving from a cordial friendship to a special strategic partnership. The leaders said that at a time when the global order is undergoing major changes, both countries are focusing on innovation, energy transition, and strengthening strategic sovereignty. The two leaders also noted the growing business interest between the two countries, with more than 1,000 Indian and Italian companies now operating across both nations, further strengthening trade ties and global supply chains. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.